Welcome, children, to yet another interesting class of general knowledge. Now, today we are going to learn about a very important thing, and we drink daily, we use it daily, and that is water. Now, where do we get the water from? So, there are many answers. We get it from the rivers, we get it through rain, we get it from the groundwater, but the very important part is the rivers. So, today we are going to study all about rivers. Okay? But the caterpillar has a question for you. What is a river? A river is a flowing, moving stream of water. You must have seen the river, right? We all cross the Naini bridge, है ना? So जो नीचे बहती हैं, that is the river. Okay, now this is the picture of a river, and very important. Now these rivers they flow, right? ये हमेशा flow होती रहती हैं. But ये जाती कहाँ है? Where does it end? It enters the sea. If you can see here, right, this is a river and it is entering the ocean or the sea. Okay, now children, this is a river and you can see the two sides that are there besides the river, right? Now these are the banks. The two sides of a river, they are called its banks. Okay, now if you can see here, this is also a diagram. Here this is the river, okay, and this are the two sides, that is the river bank, and then this is called the river bed. Okay, now why I am showing you the river bed? Now the area which is along the river bed, okay, the area which is along the river bed means this area, it is fertile. Fertile means the soil which is good for plants, जो plants के लिए अच्छा होता है. Okay, so this soil along the river bed is good for plants. It is fertile. So the soil along a river bed is very fertile. Okay, now if you can see here, what do you see in the picture? Can you see? The houses are drowning in water. Okay, and let me tell you, why is it drowning inside the water? Because the rivers are overflowing. है ना, जब हम ग्लास में, when we fill water inside a glass and when we go on pouring more water, it will start coming out from the glass, it will overflow. Same with the rivers. When there is heavy rains, when there are heavy rains, the water in the river, it exceeds, okay, and then it starts overflowing, which causes flood. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Can you tell me the longest river in India? It is a very simple question. I know you might be knowing the answer, so let me tell you. It is Ganga. Now this is the river Ganga. Okay, now let me ask you one more question. River that carries large amount of water. Which is the river that carries large amount of water? It is the Amazon river. Okay, please remember, now this river is in Africa. Okay, Africa is a country, so it is in Africa and the name is Amazon river. Okay, so you will remember this. Now let us play a small quiz. You have to name the river that flows by these famous cities. So I am going to show you a picture, okay, and I will tell you the name of the city and you have to tell me which is the river that is besides these cities. Okay, now as you can see, आप पहचान गए होगे what is this, right? It is the Taj Mahal and Taj Mahal is in Agra. So can you tell me the river that is flowing besides this city? Yes, it is River Yamuna. Okay. Now let us have a look at the next picture. Now this is, can you tell me, identify it. It is not from India. It is the city of London. Okay. Now can you tell me the name of the river that flows besides this city? Let me tell you. It is Thames. Okay. Thames. Thames River. Okay. Now, this is one more city. Let me tell you the name. It is Cairo, which is in Egypt. Okay. It is Cairo, which is in Egypt. Now, you have to tell me the name of the river that is flowing. It is the river Nile. Okay. Nile. Now, this is a picture of a city from India. It is Nashik. Now you know Nashik is in Maharashtra. Okay. So Nashik, the river that flows besides this city is River Godavari. Okay. River Godavari. Now let us have a look at the next picture. Now this picture is of Paris. You can see the Eiffel Tower, right? Now there is also a river that flows through this city. Can you tell the name of the river? It is Seine. Okay. Seine. Seine. Okay. This is the name of the river. Now this is the next city. It is the city in India. Can you guess? You must have gone there. It is Varanasi. That is Banaras. We call it Banaras also. So, can you tell me which river flows along this city? Yes, it is the river Ganga. Okay. So, Ganga is the name of the river. Now, I guess you must have got a lot of information about rivers and you might be ready to do your book exercises. That is all about the rivers. Thank you so much. Bye bye.